Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the sticker animation feature not working for chats and conversations on Telegram on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through this. So head over to the Telegram application, for example, it's desktop app. And as you can see guys, in my case here in my account, these sticker animations work perfectly or are working perfectly. So if that's not the case for you guys, and if these are not animated, that it may be because you or someone else might have accidentally turned off these animations for stickers. To turn them on, again guys, click into these three lines in the top left and access your user or account settings. And after that, head over to, let me find it, the advanced feature. Sorry, not that one here, battery and animations, of course. Sorry for that. And here simply go through these categories like animated stickers, emojis. In this case here, let us go with animated stickers. Expand that list if you like, and simply make sure that they are enabled. So if I, for example, turn them off, animated stickers, and click into save, as you can see, that sticker will be frozen. So you will you may need to re-enable them again. So do that really quickly, click into save, and that should fix the issue, guys, as you can see. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.